that fills your downcast eyes, you still can't move forward. When morning comes, I'll come to get you. We're all the same, we may be weak, but there really isn't a war there, not as much as it feels to you. Even though you know that if it hurts to breathe, you shouldn't keep hiding like this. When morning comes, I'll come for you. Since we only understand 18% of it, let's go and make sure of tomorrow. So choose the card you will play, 'cause every hand could win or lose, it's up to you. It's not about the odds, it's how you play the game. So if you just believe and try, you can always make a change. Now, I never thought I'd get this far, but it's time to make a brand new start. Time to shuffle up and deal. It's time to do. I've got to go beyond. You gotta play your best card. Believe in your heart. We'll be number one. Yu-Gi-Oh! GX Generation X! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Racing through across the universe at a speed like lightning. Loading begins, opening the door to dreams. A spreading blaze, believe in yourself. That blaze continues, drawing out the future. Let's grab it with these hands. Oh yeah. We were running towards tomorrow. Now with her linking hearts together, we were accelerating. Now with her, let's connect this world. No matter what a new times come, is nothing that's impossible. Aiming for the heart beyond this. Let's ride on the wind. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Draw a line in the glare of the day. One more turn, one more play. Cold pouring down like rain on a field. Scars on my hand, glowing I shield. World on the edge, hanging by a string. I load my faith into everything. I heard them say this game decides your name, but I'm not a card, I'm more than their frame. Hey. Links strike hard, I'm diving in again. Even if I fall, I'll rewrite, beat it, stack my hope on the edge of this chain. If I break apart, I rise and link again. Ghosts in the grid, calling out my past. Friends turn to mask, faces flicker fast, but I see you there through the static haze. Your silent trust cuts through all the play. If I lose now, will you turn away? Oh, this now when the curse ends. I was just a name on a crowded screen till I found my will in a fragile dream. Oh, when I lose, I I choose to stand instead. Either fear can't draw